This is the FitBeast 5-piece adjustable resistance set. This is a really great item. This is a really nicely put together set right here. You got 5 different pieces. This is the forearm strengthener. This is the stress relief ball. This is the finger strength gripping ring. Really nice high quality rubber right here. Just a really nice item. This is the finger exerciser right here. This is just really great. It just does a really nice job of strengthening your fingers. You could see the details in here. It says right here FitBeast, the brand is on here, and there's really high quality here. You could see it just does a really nice job of strengthening your fingers. Really high quality items here. This kit was very well put together. It comes in a bag right here. You could store everything in here, and it also comes with these instructions here. So it shows you how to go by each one of these right here. And then you also have this rubber band right here. So really nice items here. You get the 5-piece set, you get the instruction booklet, and you get this bag right here to store everything in. It comes in a nice packaging as well. So if you're doing this for a gift for somebody, you're definitely gonna, it's gonna have some really nice presentation. And just again here, the resistance on here is really great. Just a really cool item overall. So you get the 5-piece set here, very well high quality here. Again, really nice rubber, just really nice quality here. The stress ball is made nicely. Everything is really good here. This 5-piece set is really cool. So if you're looking to get forearm strengthening, finger strengthening, this is definitely going to be your go-to kit. Highly recommend picking one of these up. FitBeast is a great brand. They have some really nice products, and this is a really great set here. Definitely want to check this out.